give a warm welcome to King Devon.
Closer! 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 Too close! I'm King Devon, and I'll teach you about magnets and magnetism. Go. I'm King Devon, and this is my brother Sam.
I love you. I am your brother. Your biggest. King Devon the science guy. King. Opposites attract. E equals MC squared. Alex. King Devon the science god. Why do we work at a magnet store?
It's the only place we got hired. Gosh.
Hi, we're doing
Our first customers! It's our first customer!
Okay, we're doing a project on magnets and we know nothing about it. Can you teach us? Sure.
Okay, believe it or not, the Earth is surrounded by a huge magnetic field. None of us can actually see it.
There are only two kinds of magnets. The first is called a temporary magnet. Their magnetism doesn't last forever.
Also, there's called a permanent magnet. Its magnetism lasts forever.
A magnet attracts magnetic material with a force called magnetism. There are different kinds of magnetic material. The most common is being of iron.
The new incident of magnetism was studied in France by Andre Marie and Pori, who concluded that nature involves magnets also form magnetic fields. That's a space around the magnet where its force acts. Here's an example.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, that's the North Pole and that's the South Pole, which we will teach you about later.
On magnets, there are two sides. There's a North Pole and there's a South Pole. N and S will attract, but N and N will repel.
All magnets have these poles. Those are where magnetism is the strongest.
Also, magnetism is the force that causes a nail or paper clip to be pulled toward a magnet.
Thank you for telling us all this information.
Thank you.
Totally welcome.
Yeah,
Bye.
anytime.
We taught someone
I know, it's
something. Hello and welcome to Magnet Theater. Tonight we will show you examples of magnets in their natural habitats, otherwise known as repelling or attracting.
Hi, I'm North Pole. And I'm South Pole. And I'm the second North Pole.
Hello, I'm Dr. Wilner, and when two of the opposite poles go near each other, they will attract. But when two of the same poles go near each other, they will repel and go away from each other. No matter how much force is implied, the result will be the same. Thank you for watching Magnet Theatre, and tune in next week to see how global warming affects our Earth.
The materials that you need is a magnet and some string, and then you tie it in the center and make sure it's double knotted or it will fall off.
You hold it up here and make sure it's exactly in the middle, and then you just hold it right here. And the results are it will start spinning. This is what happens when you try this experiment.
Consider the following.
Each atom has its own magnetic field, like maybe the atom that makes you up.
A domain is the magnetic field of atoms, which in certain areas line up with each other.
One object can have many domains, but each domain must have a north and a south pole.
Thank
You for considering the following. Attract, the opposite poles, not the same, they will repel. North and south will attract, but the same will disconnect.
No, guys, that is not right. We can't do that. Remix!
really cool.
North and South Poles, the track pool.
The world we live in is the biggest magnet.
No one knows how far we'll get.
Temporary magnets only last for a while.
Permanent goes for miles and miles.
If we didn't teach you anything,
Then I guess we're just big ding-a-lings.
Wicka, 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 we're fresh.
Hi, we're doing a project on magnets. Can you teach us stuff about it? We know nothing about
sure.
it.
We're pros. Oh my god! Okay, let's.
Why do we work in a magnet store?
Guy!
Why do we work in a magnet store? Why do we work in a
Guys!
Thank you for watching.